Hi, Bruce here with another tip from the HCT class. You know, when we started cleaning 30 years ago, we didn't have anything that was terribly difficult or things that could be easily damaged. We had ceramic, we had vinyl, we had polyurethane floors that were incredibly strong, we had nylon carpet. That was about it. Today we've got stone, we've got polyurethanes that are more delicate than they used to be. We have new vinyl and laminate flooring, and the pH becomes much more important now than it used to be. So a cleaner needs to be on top of what the pH of his cleaners are and what the pH that the surfaces he's cleaning can handle. In fact, today, even some of the new green flooring may be able to be dissolved by some of the new green cleaners.